I've got her now. There's my little female hummingbird taking a shower in the rain. She's been working her nest that she's got up higher in the dogwood tree. But that is a little female hummingbird. I spotted the nest a couple days ago and I've been watching her. And I've been trying to catch her on camera. I finally got her. There's a little dead branch. Just a little teeny little tiny little dead branch. Teeny tiny. Look at this. And she is on that teeny tiny little branch bathing in the rain. There she goes. Maybe she'll come back. She's probably gone to go check on the nest. She's got the nest up there towards the top of the tree. I'll get some more footage of that girl later. Thanks, everybody.